how to transfer Pi from Binance to bitget wallet. So officially, the Pi token is not listed yet on Binance, but in the future it will be listed. So after this token it will be listed on Binance, I will show you from now how to transfer it to bitget wallet. Now I will use the example of USDT. All tokens, they have the same method to transfer it from your exchange platform to another wallet. So I will use the USDT for that. Now first of all, tap on assets and now select the spot from the top bar and tap on withdraw. And after that, I will use the example of USDT as I said before. Now select your token from here. Now after that, select the send via crypto network. Now after that, before going and get withdrawal address from your wallet, you need to set the network from here as the BIP20. Now go to your bitget wallet. As you can see, to get the withdrawal address of your token, just tap on receive. And from here, as you can see, you have a different token. So we'll use the USDT. Now in the search type USDT. As you can see here, you will be able to find a different USDT token, but each one have a different network. But we need to use the network that we set it before in the Binance. In this case, it will be the BNB, as you can see, chain. And we select this one. So after you select it, as you can see, now tap on this icon to copy the address. Now go back to your Binance from here and paste the token address here in the address. And now you can enter the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, tap on withdraw. And after a few hours, you will be able to receive, or a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your bitget wallet. So this is how to transfer Pi from Binance to bitget wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.